Guten Abend, guten Tag, guten Morgen. Hey everybody, I'm Matt from Clenergy, and today we're going to show you right here on the Clenergy channel an exciting new solar roof mounting solution, SolarRoof Pro 2.0 by PVezRack. The SolarRoof Pro 2.0 uses our innovative rail, our M module, and it integrates with our Clenergy PV-ezRack family. It's cost effective, safe, and the perfect solution for your solar installation. Inside this magic sample box is our samples from our flagship brand, PVezRack. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Exciting times. Wow, look at this. Well, inside this PVezRack magic box, there's so many gifts, and I'm going to bring them out one by one. In my hands here are two Toyota rails. Now the Toyota rails are made of specific aluminium that's designed for ease of installation, faster installation, and you need less fixings to fix this Toyota rail than you generally would. Next up, what am I going to pull out of the PVezRack magic box? Well, a Toyota rail splice. Now the thing I love about the Toyota rail splice is its ease of contact and connection. So straight in, hits the lug there. I've pre-cut these rails to length and I've put the other length in there. Now there it is, the Toyota rail with a splice in between two rails. But to finish it off, we always suggest and we love, put an end cap on it, just like this, and there you have it, out of the magic box. Coming out next out of the magic box is our aluminium tile bracket. Now the thing I love about this product is the versatility. The innovations that we've created in this allows you to have multiple areas of adjustment. So at 90 degrees, landscape or portrait. We have a slide function here so you can get the perfect setting, and a height adjustment. This is a killer product. We love it. So next out of the PVezRack magic box, what am I going to get? Who knows? I certainly do. It is this roof hook here. Now this is perfect. SUS 304, aka stainless steel build. So this is a stainless steel U-hook, and the thing I love about it, right, essentially is that it's perfect for pitched tile roofs, which, hey, let's face it, in Germany and Europe, there's lots of this roof tile structures. In the PVezRack magic box, what am I going to pull out? The slate tile roof specialty bracket. Again, what we've got here is an SOS 304, which is a stainless steel product, and it's incredible for those slate roofs that you have in Europe, Germany and beyond. I absolutely love this product. It's amazing. And finally, in the PVezRack magic box, I'm going to pull out this beautiful bracket. Now what it's used for is plain tiles, and it's a matte coated product, gives you extra resilience and durability with the magnesium, aluminium and zinc composite that protects the product. So it's fantastic because you can scratch it, cut it, you can do virtually anything to it because it's got self-healing properties, and this rounds out all of our tile brackets. Fantastic. And what's good for your most common frame solar panels are our M modules. Now they work in height ranges from 28mm to 46mm, and this one here, my right hand, is our black one. It's our Clenergy Hollywood. It's beautiful on those black solar panel installations. So to finalize the unpacking of this box, I'm going to pull out our earthing continuity pieces. We've got our earthing lug and our earthing clip. They're essential for earthing continuity. And as we know, when we're doing our installations, there's a lot of wiring involved. So we love this beautiful stainless steel clip, and it's perfect to make sure your cable management is nice and tidy. It's an easy, simple stainless steel solution.